really quick video. The on-off button for the power is this green button that's just under here. If you switch it to 0, the light will be off. Switch it to 1 and the light will come on. And then for the light to come on, it's this switch here at the front. If you see, as I twist that light increases. When you turn it off, you're supposed to switch that light off and then switch it off at the rocker. So then when you switch it on there, switch it on at the rocker. There's a handle that is supposed to be attached here, and the screw wasn't in the packaging, so we'll have to send that up in the post. Now I can come back and screw that in for you, or you might be able to get anybody to do it. All they need is an Allen key. I'll post the screw up and it just gets Allen keyed into this fitting here. But if you want, I can drive back up and fit that for you. That's not a problem. These knobs here are the magnification, and that is your fine focus. So that does the equivalent, that fine focus button, of you moving it forwards and backwards towards the patient's ear. And this switch here, if you push that in, you don't twist it, just push it in, it adjusts the size of the spot. So you can go from a large spot, push it in, small spot, and you can have the different spot size that you want. And then finally, all of these switches near any of the joints, they're friction screws that just control the movement. So if you tighten it, it won't move at all. If you make it too loose, it'll carry on swinging. You just need to tighten it a bit and it'll just move to where you want to locate it. So sorry about the screw for the handle. I'll put the handle with the microscope, or pass it to Rachel, and I'll send the bolt through the post, but any problems, give me a ring, I'll drive back up and fit it for you. Okay, thank you.